Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, brothers and sisters and dear mashayikh. The Islamic Council of Europe and the Islamic Council of America attended the annual conference of AMJA, the Assembly of Muslim Jurists of America, here in Chicago, September 2022. Alhamdulillah, the conference and the topics were very important, very relevant, tackling the issue of technology and its impact and its effect on the family, its effect between husband and wife, on the financial institutions, on banking, financial transaction, and so many different areas. Alhamdulillah, we also wrote an academic paper. We contributed towards the research paper, which would be used for the Tullabul Ilm and the scholars as a reference in tackling some of those issues. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept from them and to accept it from us. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.